Mastering Daily English, the art of setting the alarm. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and everyday phrase, setting the alarm. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, understanding these common phrases can make a huge difference in your daily communication. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind setting the alarm. Setting the alarm might seem straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. To set an alarm means to program an alarm clock, smartphone, or another device to sound at a specific time. It's a crucial daily routine for many people around the world, used to wake up, remind themselves of important tasks, or as a timer for various activities. The word setting here implies preparing or arranging something for future use. Setting the alarm is more than just a way to wake up in the morning. It's a tool for time management, helping individuals ensure they start their day on time or remember important appointments. In a broader sense, it reflects discipline and the importance of planning in our daily lives. For English learners, understanding such phrases enriches vocabulary and offers insight into daily routines in English-speaking cultures. Let's look at some examples of how to use setting the alarm in everyday conversation. I'm setting the alarm for 6 a.m. to make sure I have enough time to prepare for my meeting. Could you help me with setting the alarm? I always seem to mess it up. She forgot about setting the alarm and overslept, missing her morning jog. These examples show the versatility of the phrase, highlighting its use in different contexts and tenses. Practicing and remembering phrases like setting the alarm can be fun and engaging. Here are a few tips. 1. Role play. Practice with a friend or language partner by simulating scenarios where you need to set an alarm. 2. Daily use. Integrate the phrase into your daily routine, whether you're actually setting an alarm or just narrating your actions in English. 3. Creative writing. Write short stories or diary entries that include the phrase, setting the alarm, to help cement it in your memory. Understanding and using everyday phrases like setting the alarm can significantly enhance your English learning journey. It's not just about the vocabulary but also about getting a glimpse into the daily lives and routines of English speakers. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and usage of this common phrase. Remember, every bit of learning brings you one step closer to fluency. Happy learning, and don't forget to set your alarm for our next video. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.